Last time on Island ADV.
Today we have Josh in his beautiful, fresh looking Honda. I don't know what we're gonna run into, man. Like, we'll just gauge it though. There is a trail that goes into the woods. Yes, bud.
A little bit messy. I'm good with that.
Oh, you are, man.
Pine Tree Lodge.
All right, let's see what this one's at. All right, so we should be able to just be able to run this down and then hit a quick right, and then we get a little bit of highway, and then it's a quick left onto Broadway, and that should connect us back down towards Gunn's Bridge, which gets us into the Millvale Loop run. And we'll scope out that, see what you think, but I think it should be in the same condition of what we're dealing with here. Also, FYI, right side is a disaster.
Ooh, okay.
Whoa, 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 that's a bit soft too, FYI. I'm gonna put a little throttle into it. Sand right here too.
A little bit of everything.
There we go, there we go. Yeah, do you see that white sign right side, or left side? Coming up the hill?
Oh yeah, I do, yeah.
That's where we were at originally when we went up to the lodge there. Oh man, the light. Sunset rides, man, nothing beat them. I imagine some stuff beats them. Oh, I think I'm getting out of range here. Can you still hear me?
A little bit.
Okay. I'll wait for you to catch up.
There we go.
Sweet. So what led you to the Honda as a final choice for a bike?
Yeah, it's my choice for the next like 10, 15, 20 years.
Oh yeah, long haul bike.
Yeah. Yeah, it's just the popularity. Everybody loves them, and they just they're cheaper than a lot of other bigger bikes like this. So
Yeah. No, I think it looks mint, man. Good choice.
Thank you. Yeah, they actually when they got it from, I went into Centennial and I asked for one and asked to order one, and then so he said, I'll check with my Honda guys. So he did, and then a week later he said, here it is. But he didn't know it was coming. He's like, it just showed up on the truck.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Nice, not bad.
So
well, it's a great bike for today, man. We're just keeping it chill. I love it. You know, I usually get out on these rides and I don't flex the ADV variant of the KLR 650 with all the luggage and just like the chill dirt ride machine, you know?
yeah.
Too much. I haven't had the ADV. Actually, this is like the first time I've had this little ADV variant build of mine out. And it's working good. I mean, I don't know. You haven't seen any luggage fall off yet, so.
No. Not yet.
She's a climb here, bud.
Don't jinx it though.
Yeah, really. We got ruts right at the top of this hill. Stick far right and you should be all right. Whoa.
Gorgeous night out.
I know, eh? I keep coming back to it, like just the way the light comes through the trees, riding on these trails. I think I got eyes on it up 200 meters closing. I'm gonna gamble on this one. There's no sign, but oh yeah, potato soap. That was my landmark. White Gables at Hope River potato soap. Feeling dirty? Get a little potato soap in your body. This guy sells it, I guess. Sorry if I'm creating a ton of dust for you.
No, not at all.
What's this right side? Private property, no go. They must be building something in here, or maybe this is just like a pit for soil. Sand actually right here where I am. Sorry. Man, I was too late with that call out. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, shoot. Normally my call outs are on point. Sand right side, right here. There, this one.
Good job.
I'm gonna go straight. I think that's just more pit. More sand. This is like all sand. Yeah. This should bring us right out to Gunn's Bridge, I think. Looks like we got mud. Right side's good line.
I want to hit the mud.
You gonna do it?
No.
No, it's just actually clay. It looks like it. And sand at the bottom. Seems to be the part for the course right here.
You like to give it the beans when in the sand.
Oh, I love it, man, so much. Like I was saying, like I just unlocked this whole thing with like being up, standing up on it. Like, I don't know what it is. Like, you definitely go through a period where like standing is just like too freaky. And then you're like, standing just feels right, you know?
Alright, that was fun stuff.
Right on. What is this to the left here? What do you think that is?
I don't know. Walking trail maybe? I don't know.
I'm just gonna have a peek, eh?
Sure.
This might be nothing. I just don't want to get into a spot where I can't turn it around. I'm interested in what's down there. I'm gonna send the drone up, do a little recce, a little reconnaissance with the drone. All right, let's get an idea of what we're up against. So this is the trail that we were just looking at. 65 meters out. Gets tighter. Let me bring her down a bit and we'll see. It looks like it opens up. Oh, there it is. Do you see it? Down tree. Swamp. Shoot. Where does it end up at? Oh, who knows? It just goes off into the ether there. Let's check this other spot out. So there's the other trail. Yeah, same scenario, I think. Just a lot of down trees. It might go somewhere, but maybe it's worth coming back and exploring a bit for the summer. Keep it in your mental logbook. Man, it's so pretty out there. Once this all fills in and all becomes green, these hills and valleys are just going to be so beautiful. All right, let's hit back on the road and see what else we can find. There's Trout River right there. We should be able to head right towards that. All right, so for now, that's a no-go, and that's a no-go. But I think those two trails have potential. For now, I think what we'll do is we'll steer down that way, and I think that'll take us to eventually Trout River. We'll swing a left and see if we can hook onto the bridge. And that might do it. We'll see how she goes. All set?
All set.
All right. Yeah, I bet that trail there connects into it somehow. It must be all woods trail, skidder trail type stuff.
Yeah, I haven't been down here, so.
And this, like I said, this is like a super run, eh? Like, this connects to like Brookvale eventually, and I don't know if we're gonna find the lead into the Quad Tracks ATV section, but I know that the Quad Tracks ATV run down to Kincora, down through Kincora and up to Borden Carlton runs through here too. I think this is like the end state for it. And there's like 67 kilometers of that. And I hear it's like the hardest, it's one of the most challenging ATV runs on the island, according to some people I know up west. That might be a goal for this year. There it is. There's Gunn's Bridge straight ahead. Sweet. That's worked out perfectly. Man, that sun is pretty. Bright and pretty. All right. One last leg. Let's see what we got. Actually, we should take a picture here, man.
Yeah, let's do that. That sun is blinding.
I know it. Oh man, it's so pretty here. So I think left side is the way to go for today. I've gone right all sorts of times, but whatever you want though. It all goes to the same spot.
I'm good with left side, yeah.
This is how it shakes out here on the map. So this is us right here.
Okay.
So we can go right up here and left up here. And this is somewhere where the ATV trail comes in.
Okay.
So let's go left, and then we'll come down and see if we can search it out.
Sure.
Might find it, probably won't. But I would say this is probably the diciest road we'll see tonight.
Alright.
Let me know if something happens on the comms.
Alright.
We came up here in the winter one time with trucks.
Oh, wow.
And we got them wicked stuck. Like, there was about, I think there was 4 trucks, and they were super stuck. It was super sketchy, and that was going up the other side, the other way.
Yeah, down that hill would be pretty sketchy in the winter.
Oh yeah, we had to slide backwards down it.
Ooh.
Yeah, it was nuts. Looks like Snowmobile Trail picks up here to our left side again. I think, maybe, no. This might just all be Snowmobile Trail in the winter, this like road itself. But it's a beauty, eh?
Yeah. Not too bad at all so far.
Horse poop. Go easy through here. Oh, you could buy land up here. I wonder how much it's going for.
That'd be probably pretty cheap, I think.
Yeah, pretty cheap. Probably like 1 acre, 350,000. The state of affairs right now. Yeah, that sun is sinking low, eh?
Yeah, it's getting a little chilly. Not too bad though.
Yeah. We'll come out at the end of this. We'll see how things go. I might end up turning around. Man, this is a lot longer than I remember it being. I love it.
I don't see any snow anymore. That's good.
Yeah, I'm surprised. I was expecting us where we're up a little bit higher. I was expecting to have at least a little drift or something in the woods, but it looks like all that rain we've been getting has cleared it all out. I don't know if that did anything here. There we go.
There you go.
Wow, beautiful sun. Beautiful and blinding. Oh wait, what do we got here? What do we got here? Hold up. Oh man. That's all like, that's got to be all for Snowmobile Trail, eh?
Yeah, and I think ATV
coming right off there.
Yeah. Well, they went through the field, I think.
Actually, let's keep moving on this. I think there's something to the left. Maybe? No, that's field access. Ruts are pretty rough on right side, like middle, I guess. Oh wait, hold up. Hold up here. Okay, yeah. Put this one in your mental logbook.
No.
That's it. That's what we were after.
Nice.
Right there is the Quad Tracks ATV trail, and that is where I think the trail ends. So it goes down. I've been through it all before, but that's what we were looking to find. Sweet. Nice. All right. We know where that goes, Island Riders. We've been here, but now we know that this is Quad Tracks, and now we know that'll take us to Confederation Bridge, and that's a long old run. And I think that's going to be a run for another time. But if you are actually, I don't want to let you down. If you do want to see where that goes, I'll leave a link up to the top where me and Brandon tackled this one a little bit, and you can get a little taste. But I think once the ATV trail's open, once things dry up a little bit more, we'll bring the bikes back up through here and we'll put that Kincora run to the test. We'll see if it is, in fact, one of the more difficult runs. Again, Josh, thanks, man, so much for coming out for the ride tonight. It was awesome, bud.
It's been fun.
It was great. God, it's such a beautiful night. These spring nights, just as we transition into summer, are amazing. Take advantage of them, Island Riders. If you're out there riding, ride safe. You know, always, if you've got some cool pics of your ride, send them to me on Instagram. I'd love to see them. I love seeing you guys getting out there. I love hearing your stories in the comments. But until next time, and the next time we're out on the bikes, scaring up some adventure, take care, Island Riders.